Before you install your new roof tent from Gasell, here are some important tips. If you follow them in this order, the assembly itself will be quick and smooth. Check that your car's roof can support the weight of the roof tent. If you're unsure, please contact your car manufacturer for more information. Next, install your roof racks according to the manufacturer's instructions. For the distance between the racks, for the GM 160, we suggest approximately 80 centimeters, and for the GM 210, we recommend around 100 centimeters. Place the box on an elevated surface, like a table, for easier handling. Then, use a knife to cut the straps and lift off the lid. Remove the protective foam from the rooftop tent. Open the latches, then the cover halfway. By the ladder, you'll find the mounting kit with all necessary parts. Remove the mounting kit, then close and lock the cover again. Open the assembly kit and take out all the parts. Now it's time to lift the tent onto the car. For this, we recommend that you are at least 2 people. Place the tent's opening towards the passenger side of the car. Gently lift the tent and position it so that its longer side rests on both roof racks. Next, adjust the tent's position to ensure the trunk can open without any problems. Mount the bolts into the sliders, then insert 4 sliders for each rail underneath the tent, 2 at every attachment point against the roof rack. Slightly lift the tent to guide the sleds past the roof rack, so you can get a bolt on each side of the rack. Then use this mounting bracket to fasten the tent with the hand screws. If you're worried about theft, anti-theft nuts are also available for separate purchase. Next, install the protective covers on the rails. Take a firm grip and try to move the tent sideways. If it moves, the nuts need to be tightened further. Here's how to set up your tent. Start by opening the tent's locks and push up the cover. Loosen the rubber strap holding the tent fabric in place. Remove the protective bag and foam padding from the ladder. Then, unfasten the Velcro strap that holds the ladder together. Next, fully extend the ladder and use it as a lever to carefully lift the floor. Then, adjust the ladder's height by pressing the buttons on the very last rung and sliding it inwards. Continue this process until you achieve a good, steady angle, much like the one we are demonstrating here. Inside the roof tent, you will find the window poles. The 2 longer poles, these are used for the entrance, and the 4 short ones, these fit the side windows. Start by inserting the flat end of the window pole into the hole, making sure it bottoms out. Next, bend the pole and securely attach the hook into the pocket located on the inside of the entrance canopy's corner. Repeat these same steps for the side windows. Our roof tents come equipped with both fine mesh mosquito nets and blackout fabric for both the sides, the entrance, and also the convenient skylight. The tent also comes with app-controlled lighting, both on the interior and exterior. Scan the QR code on the controller to download the app. A dedicated rain pole is also included, which you can use in the event of very heavy rain. Stretch it between the frame and the tent cover, and you'll get a ridge on the roof. This is only necessary during really heavy rain. The ladder cover can either be used to store your items, or you can roll it up so it's not in the way. The tent also comes with a cable and a built-in Anderson connector, which you will find located underneath the roof tent. This allows you to connect the tent to your car or a power station, so you can get power to the built-in panel within the roof tent, where you can then connect your lighting or other accessories. The tent also includes 2 rubber straps that you can easily use to secure the tent fabric between the seam of the roof tent. When there are stronger winds, we recommend anchoring the tent to the car's wheel rim. The best way to do this is with a tie-down strap. These tie-down straps are sold separately, and they make it easy to secure the tent. Well then, now it's time to head out on your adventure. But just to be safe, here's also a quick guide on how to fold up the tent. Start by removing all the poles that support the side windows and the entrance. You can conveniently store these in the compartment located near the entrance. Make sure all mosquito nets and covers for the side windows and entrance hang freely, and don't forget to fold out the step protector. Make sure that all the mosquito nets and side windows hang freely on the outside of the tent. Lift up the ladder so the floor folds in. You need to press the buttons on the bottom step of the ladder to fold the ladder. Double check that the ladder guard is correctly placed on the steps. Fold in the fabric from the side windows and refasten the rubber strap over all the fabric. Remember that it should go on the inside of the gas strut. Then use the closing strap to shut the cover. Before the cover is fully closed, tuck the strap inside and secure the cover with the 2 latches. That's how easy it is to use a Gasell. Good luck on your adventures, and we'll see you on the roads.